Withdrawing money from Gmail after an account review can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Access your Gmail account. Log into your Gmail account using your credentials. Ensure that you are using the correct account that has the funds you wish to withdraw. Step 2. Navigate to Google Pay. Once logged in, locate and click on the Google Pay icon or visit the Google Pay website. This is where your financial transactions related to Gmail will be managed. Step 3. Check account status. Before proceeding, check the status of your account to ensure that it has passed the review process. Look for any notifications or messages indicating your account standing. Step 4. Select Withdrawal option. In the Google Pay interface, find the option to withdraw money. This may be labeled as Withdraw, Transfer to Bank, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Enter withdrawal details. Input the amount you wish to withdraw and select your linked bank account. Confirm the details and follow any prompts to complete the transaction. Make sure to review everything before finalizing. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request should be processed. Keep an eye on your bank account to confirm the funds have been transferred successfully.